From car crashes, motorcycle incidents to industrial disaster, we break down what went wrong and how it could have been avoided. Welcome to my channel Who's at Fault? Where we analyze real-life accidents and reveal the critical mistakes behind them. Stay tuned for in-depth analysis, safety tips, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. So, let's get started.
Number 1.
Check out this brutal incident took life of a woman and others. The cause of incident is brake fails and overspeed. Let's look in slow motion. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 2.
Look, taking selfie sometimes cause your life. This girl was very close to train and caused this incident. The cause is too close to train. Let's look in slow motion. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 3.
This is what happened when you try to move on from tight corners. Trucks drivers usually don't see that close from their seats because they are up high. The cause of incident is overtaking from tight corner. Let's look in slow motion. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 4.
Look what happens when you overspeed and took your eyes off-road. People are waving and hands symbolizing them to slow down, but driver ignore, and this incident happened. The cause of incident is eyes off-road and overspeed. Let's look in slow motion.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind the
What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 5.
Look how this man crossing the road without seeing at traffic. This is a worst and most brutal incident I have ever seen. The cause of incident is crossing road without looking. Let's look in slow motion.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake. make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go.
What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 6.
Look how this incident took place because of tire not tightened. The cause of incident is tire not tightened. Let's look in slow motion. This is a most sudden and brutal incident I have ever seen, and this also explains why you have to keep your eyes on surroundings. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't.
Thanks for watching Who's at Fault, where we break down real-life accidents to understand what went wrong. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it to help others stay safe on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more accident breakdowns and safety tips every week. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.